If you know the Tata Nexon, you are aware that it gets all these features. It has 360-degree camera, a panoramic sunroof and even JBL speakers. But what you are not aware is that Tata has launched a new special edition. This will be sold alongside the Dark Edition and the Red Dark Edition, and this new edition is now called the Nexon Camo Edition. The prices start at 9,99,000 rupees. It can be had with 2 new colors, 5 variants and a lot of new features. What's it all about? We tell you in this video. Now the variant spread of the Nexon Camo Edition is across broadly 2 variants, Creative and Fearless Plus. You also get a Creative Plus in between along with a panoramic sunroof, standard sunroof and also ADAS features. Coming to the engine options here, you get 3 of them. There's a 1.2 litre turbocharged petrol along with a CNG alternative, a 1.5 litre diesel engine, and all these powertrains get manual and automatic gearboxes. Now besides this, you also have 2 colors to choose from. This one is called the Cool Clouds and the second one is called the Munar Mist. Both the shades that are currently offered with the Tata Sierra as well. Now visually, the Nexon Camo Edition looks pretty much the same as the standard car. So in terms of looks, you get these LED headlights. Also lower down you get LED fog lamps. You get LED DRLs that are in line with the bumper, and you have a 360-degree camera along with Tata logo. So overall not much has changed. In fact, there's no other insert on the bumper or anything else that visually differentiates it from the standard variant when you look at it from the front fascia. Now what differentiates the Camo Edition from the standard car is firstly the Camo Edition on the front fender, and you also get 16-inch alloy wheels with this one. However, the finish is exactly the same as you would get in a standard Nexon. These are 16-inch wheels which get a silver and black dual tone. However, we wish it would have got a different finish such as gunmetal or glossback inserts as we have seen in other special editions from the Tata lineup. In terms of dimensions as well, this one is still the same and measures 3,995 mm with the same width, wheelbase and also the same ground clearance. Now the rear profile of the Nexon Camo Edition is where you see absolutely no change. You get the same set of connected LED tail lamps. You get Nexon badging. This one is an iCNG. So you get the CNG badging, and let's check out the boot space. So you get 321 liters of boot space because this is the CNG spec. You can easily fit a trolley bag, some soft bags, and you get the dual cylinders which is placed under the floor of the boot. Besides that, you get the same amount of visual treatment, also a rear camera here, rear parking sensors, and with the petrol version you get 382 liters of boot space. Now let's talk about the updates that you get inside the Nexon Camo. Firstly, you get a fully grey interior theme. That's on the dashboard. You get soft touch materials here. On the lower half of the dashboard, the material is quite scratchy. On top, it's hard plastic but of good quality. The seats here are leatherette seats. You get perforation because these come with cooling function for the front seats. And as part of the update, the only change here is the camo motif on the headrest. But what's also new in terms of tech is the screen. Now this is a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and the interesting thing here is that this one also links the 360-degree camera with a dash recorder. So you don't have separate cameras on the front or the rear windscreen. In fact, all the 4 cameras here operate as a 360-degree camera function and also as a dash cam recorder. So all the recorder can be operated from the infotainment system. You can even record it as it comes with a 1 GB storage that is expandable with external memory card as well. So that's one good update about it. And besides this, it also is based on the top spec Fearless Plus variants. That means you get a 2-spoke steering wheel, a digital instrument cluster, a panoramic sunroof, you get an armrest with storage, wireless charger, a manual gearbox because this is a CNG variant, and ample of storage around the cabin. So that's the new Tata Nexon Camo Edition. Now this one will be sold alongside the Red Dark and the Dark Edition, but there are few things that are exclusive only to the Camo Edition. That is the bigger 12.3-inch infotainment screen along with the 360-degree camera recorder. So if you want these features, you need to buy the Camo Edition. Also 2 interesting colors if you like the Munnar Mist and the Cool Clouds that were offered with the Sierra. Now that's also offered with the compact SUV. So the Tata Nexon with its strong set of features, good cabin experience, variety of powertrains and also overall safety feature. Does it make sense to buy a special edition of the Nexon or a more standard but feature-rich variant of the Nexon? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.